How to find drafts on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can find your reel drafts on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to open up your Instagram application. So you will log into your Instagram. You can do this on iOS or Android. If you create any reel on Instagram and then you save it as a draft, sometimes it's difficult to find it. For instance, let me actually quickly do that. We'll just open up our camera from here and we'll create a reel. Okay, so you can see this is the video that I recorded. I'm going to click on next and click on save. All right, so I have saved a draft on Instagram. Now, if I click on new reel option or if I open up my camera, it doesn't show me the drafts. So what you will do is, let's go to our camera here. And now, if you want to create a new reel, you can see here, you have to click on this plus button, which is the upload. Once you click on the upload, then you will find drafts at the top here. You can see the first option is actually going to be the drafts. Select the draft from here and it will show you the drafts on Instagram. You can see manage your draft. Click on these three dots and you can duplicate or delete, or you can edit it out if you want to. Let's edit this draft right here. Click on edit and now it will open it up for you. So all you need to do is just click on the new reel option and then click on upload. The first option that you will get is going to be the draft option. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.